It's Ahmad. First name is Ahmad. Yeah, that's great.
So you have two rooms, right?
Yeah. And is there a frequent one? We requested
I'll ask you for they will drop it out. Your piece of ID and your credit card, please.
Hello. Checking in.
Perfect, thank you.
Skelding, Skplding.
I think I already have a visa on file. It's 8570.
Let's consider the state.